Let me recite something that I had initially composed in February 1992 and had earlier posted on 23rd April 2015. Nature. The beautiful trees, the soothing breeze, the beautiful mountains, the natural fountains, the unpolluted streams, the peaceful green, the wild flowers, the healthy showers, the serene nature, the bright future, the balanced summer, the unhurried winter, the lovely spring, the natural ring, the calm sea, the human glee, the big whale, the ocean swell, the gliding shark, the animal's bark, the sun's ray, the lazy day, the strong shield, the productive field, the ethnic pride, the happy tribe, the unspoiled beauty, the unimposed duty, the flying vulture, the cherished culture, the sacred tradition, the proud generation, the organic manure, the long tenure, the rich cultivation, the green vegetation, the simple life, the absent strife, the good food, the playful mood. Where have they all gone? That all day at times you want to mourn. Instead of all those beautiful things, this is what mankind brings. The acid rain, the burning pain, the polluted air, the forest bare, the mind feels, the wicked deeds, the nuclear development, the beauty repellent, the growing hunger, the suppressed anger, the fancy car, the civil war, the pathetic homeless, the extravagant richness, the endless greed, the selfish breed, the unquenched thirst, the tearful burst, the dreadful pollution, the denied solution, the arms race, the government's embrace, the pitiful refugees that no one sees, the mournful sorrow, the dark tomorrow, the selfish motive, the plans abortive, the crocodile tears, the loathsome sneers, the inactive gods, the human swords, the drug smuggling, the ruthless killing, the street bed, the living dead, the last breath, the premature death, the last rite, the pyre bright. So with that, this comes to an end. Live in peace and cheers.